एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल्सचा जो रेशो आहे त्याच्या 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज आहेत. त्यापैकी फर्स्ट आहे व्हेन बेसिस आर नॉट इक्वल अँड हाइट्स आर नॉट इक्वल. सो एरियाज विल बिकम A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 into H1 upon H2. When heights are not equal, B1 is not equal to B2, H1 is not equal to H2, therefore they will remain as it is. This is the first case. Case 2 is when bases are equal, only bases are equal, that is B1 is equal to B2. What will happen? Therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 into H1 upon H2. B1 and B2 are same. The ratio will become A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. We can write a statement ratio of areas of two triangles with equal, काय इक्वल आहे ते basis is equal to the ratio of, काय जर बेसिस इक्वल असतील तर रेशो ऑफ एरिया इज इक्वल टू रेशो ऑफ, दिस इज द रेशो ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट, रेशो ऑफ their corresponding heights. This is the case 2, and case 3 is case 3. इथे एक्झाम्पल घेऊ शकतो. फर्स्टचा एक्झाम्पल तर घेतलेला आहे. हाइट्स बेसेस आर सेम, दॅट मीन्स दिस इज द ट्रायंगल ABC and this is another triangle ADC, where base is the BC common and height AE and height DF. Okay, this is the example of when bases are equal, triangles, similar triangles with equal bases. Case 3, when heights are equal, that means H1 is equal to H2. What will happen? Now ratio of areas is given by A1 upon A2 is equal to ratios of bases and ratios of heights, but heights are equal, H1 and H2 are same, they will get cancelled, therefore it will remain A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Okay, therefore statement becomes statement will become, I will write it. First of all, make boxes to this, because presentation in mathematics and in any subject is very important, more than your knowledge. Okay, presentation is very important here. Okay, so statement will become ratio of of areas of two triangles, two similar triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding इक्वल काय हाइट्स इक्वल आहेत तर मग इकडे बेसिस आहेत करस्पॉन्डिंग basis. Write on this. An example of two triangles with equal heights is, this is a triangle L M N, and this is another triangle, yes. For equal heights we can draw two separate triangles, or we can draw two triangles in a two parallel lines. Yes. Equal heights are there. This is the height P and Q. Okay, so triangle LMP and triangle LNP, these two triangles are similar triangles and their heights are LQ. Heights is LQ, only one height is there, therefore these are the triangles with equal heights. Their bases are MP and PN. Therefore their ratio of their areas is MP upon PN. We will see that. First of all, write down this. Here we can write area of triangle LMP upon area of triangle LNQ. It is equal to, these are the triangles with equal heights. Triangle LMP, this triangle, and second triangle is LNP. Second triangle is LNP. This is the second triangle. Both heights are same, therefore their ratios are given by the corresponding bases, MP upon PN. Okay, write down this.